Hi guys, we are Tech Dudes. We are back with our next video. In this video, we are going to have a quick review of the Honor 9 Lite phone. This phone has been sponsored to our channel by Vignesh. Do watch till the end. Opening the box, we have the phone which is wrapped in a cover, and this phone looks awesome with two front cameras and two back cameras. This has a glass back, making the phone look great. Keeping the phone aside, we get the cable, the charging adapter with a plastic case, and this case is plastic and not a silicone. We have an opening at the bottom, and we get few user manuals, and finally we get the SIM eject tool. Coming to the startup of the phone runs with Android 8.1, and let us quickly complete the setup. The dimensions of the phone are: the height is 151, the width is 71.9, and the thickness is 7.6 mm, and it weighs around 150 grams. Now coming to the build of this phone, at the front we have two cameras with the earpiece and a Honor logo at the bottom. It's not a full display. Now coming to the left side, we have the SIM eject tool, and coming to the rear side, we have two rear cameras with a fingerprint sensor and a small microphone for noise cancellation, which is next to the flash. Now coming to the right side, we have the volume buttons and the power buttons. Now coming to the bottom of the phone, we have the headphone jack, the speaker, and the USB charging port. At the top, we have nothing. Speaking about the phone's back, the back is given with the glass finish. This glass finish makes the phone look premium, but the main disadvantage is it is fingerprint magnet, that is, it can easily get all your fingerprints, making the phone look not that good. So do use a case, and if you are going to use a transparent case, the phone looks awesome. Now coming to the display of the phone, the size of the display is 5.65 inches, and it is giving a 75.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution of the phone is 1080 x 2160 pixels, and its aspect ratio is 18:9. With this display, we are able to play all the videos at full HD. We have even given an option to zoom in, which is a great thing. The chipset used in this phone is Kirin 659, and the CPU is octa-core. While coming to the GPU is Malay T830 MP2, which is the same used in Huawei. Now coming to the OS of the phone, the OS of the phone is EMUI 8.0, and the Android version we get is 8.1, which is Oreo. We may get an update to Android 9. The memory we get in this phone is 64 GB and 4 GB RAM, or 32 GB, 3 or 4 GB RAM, based on our wish. And we can upgrade the memory up to 256 GB using a memory card slot. It's a hybrid slot, so we need to use either a SIM or a memory card. Coming to the cameras of this phone, at the rear we get two cameras. One is 13 megapixel while the other is 2 megapixel. The 2 megapixel is mainly used for depth sensing. We are able to record videos at 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. We get all the features. We have attached few sample photos taken in this phone using the rear camera. The camera has many options. When we swipe towards the left, we have many modes to select, including the Pro mode. The Pro mode is used for capturing a detailed image as per our wish. Now swiping towards the right, we have the general settings of the camera. Now coming to the front camera, the front camera is again a dual camera. We get a 13 megapixel with a 2 megapixel as given at the rear. The 2 megapixel is again used for the depth sensing. In this also we are able to record videos at 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. We have attached few photos taken in the front camera. The sound quality of this phone is good. We have attached audio for your reference. The charger we get is a normal charger which doesn't support fast charging. The output of this charger is 5V 2A. The charging cable provided is long enough and we get a micro USB. The fingerprint sensor takes less than 0.2 seconds to recognize. It's fast enough. At a budget phone, it's great. The face unlock is also as fast as the fingerprint sensor. That is, it takes less than 0.2 seconds to recognize our face. The face sensor is so fast that as soon as you press power button, it's unlocked. The battery we get in this phone is 3000 mAh, which is a non-removable LiPo. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon.